For this activity, it is going to be a matching game, so to say. You will use Control X or Control V depending on what kind of computer you're using. You know how to work your computers by now. So, in the first one, I gave you 7 functions. Below the 7 functions are a bunch of cards. These are your answers. How I would approach this, I would start with function number 1. On a piece of paper, write this equation down. F of x, remember we talked about that so long ago, same as y or same as 0. If I was going to fill in the blanks, I would start with axis of symmetry. Then I would figure out my vertex. Sorry, I asked Mrs. Schiller a question. She answered it. And then the y-intercepts. We talked about you can just look right at the equation to find your y-intercept. So on the first one, I look at this, I can see my y-intercept is +5, so I'm going to scroll down to my cards, and I will look for the point 0, 5. I highlight it. I do on my Mac a command copy, and I'm going to delete it so that I don't think I use it again. I go back up to the first, I click in there, Control or Command V, depending on your computer. Line it up really nice. Did you see the red lines helping me line it up? Please don't give me junk that looks like that. Line it up nice. Okay? Then maybe, oops, I put it in the wrong spot, so make sure first of all you put it in the right spot. That was the y-intercept, not the vertex. I would approach and do the axis of symmetry. We know when you know the axis of symmetry, you can find the vertex. I gave you the roots, so then you will just search which graph matches that information. Move on to the next one when you're done. I will again be grading for accuracy, and if you delete these cards as you go, it will help narrow down your choices.